ladies and gentlemen. This is Mrs. Ernst here, and I'm going over our Friday instructions. It's Friday! Yay! A day before the weekend. Okay, so we have a read aloud with Axel. He joined me in a read aloud on this day. And then we're going to be continuing to add to our persuasive writing. So you're going to be working on your third reason why you want to grow what you want to grow in our garden. Okay, after that, you're going to get on iStation reading. And then we are going to, for foundational, we're going to practice your word wall song. And then you're going to work on your long U sort, okay? After that, we have cool down jars. These are a really cool activity. It was brought to me by Mrs. Revis, and I know my kids love it because I have one in my classroom that they love to do. This is also a good thing to have at home when your child is not really the happiest. It's a good jar to help them learn how to take breathing exercises and calm themselves down. Afterwards, we just have some math games for the children to work on, and that's it. Like I said, Fridays are usually very light days for you guys. It's Friday. I know we've been working so hard. Please remember all my contact information is right here. If you need to get a hold of me, you may. Please remember I do not respond before 7, and I do not respond after 4. However, if you do message me, in its emergency, I'll try my best to respond. Just before 7 and after 4 is my family time. Before 8, sorry. Before 8 and after 4 are my family time, okay? You guys have a fantastic, lovely Friday. Bye!